All right, y'all, write this in standard form. The first thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to rewrite it with this negative, making that. Now, I just put the 1 there to make it easy to see. Already got it? That becomes a negative, and that became a what? Positive, right? Now, the reason I'm doing that is because to write it in standard form, it's y equals a to the x minus h squared plus k. So here's what we're doing, all right? Y'all, I have, I'm going to do exactly what I did before. How did I find h on that previous problem? I did what? Negative b over what? 2a, right? I need to find the vertex, basically. If I find the vertex, because a is given at -1, so if I can find the vertex, I can write it in standard form. Well, I know the vertex is at the point hk, and I can find h by doing this. So I'm going to go up here and go negative of -2, 2 times this -1. Well, that's going to make that +2, that's -2. So I know that my h value is -1. How can I find the k? So I'm going to go up here to this problem and plug -1 in it. Now, -1 squared is +1. -2 times -1 makes it +2. 1 times -1 is going to be -1. And -1 plus 2 plus 3. So here's what I know. K is 4. H is -1. That's the vertex at -1, 4. So if I go up here, I'm going to write this. What's the A value? A is what? -1. So I'm going to put a negative in front of that. And remember, this is a inside liar. So if H is -1, what's negative of -1 is what? +1. And then K is just what? 4. H and K. H and K. And A was that number right there in front of that right there. That's all I had to do. Okay? I had to put those in. I used the negative b over 2a to help find the what? The vertex. That's probably the easiest way to do it. That's easier than probably completing the square. All right? Now, I'm going to do the same thing on number 5.
Can you go back?
Yeah, I can go back, yes. I can go back just kind of quickly. And chance to get that copy down. All right.
So
All right.
what is the answer?
The answer is this here. Write it in standard form. The answer is this right here.
No.
Y equals the negative, really it's -1, but you don't have to write the 1. Parentheses, x plus 1 squared plus 4. Because you wrote it in what? Standard form. That is the answer right there. But the way to do it, to write it in standard form, you need A. A was given. I need H. I can find H by -b over 2a. And I find K by what? Plugging it in, plugging it in. So let's do one more of those. So we're going to do the same thing here. All right? So on this one, okay, first off, B is 24 and A is -4. So first off, I know that A is going to be what? -4, right? I already know that A is -4. So now then, negative of this 24, 2 times -4 is going to be this here. -24 divided by -8 makes what? Positive what? 3. So what I know already, this is -4, and because it's +3, I'll write it as what? -3. The only thing I'm missing now is what? K. I have A. I have H. I need K. And how can we find K? Yeah, plug it in, plug it in. So I'm going to take the K value and do 3 squared, this problem right here, which would be 9, -4 times 9, and 3 times 24 is 72. Y'all, that should be a plus 72. Everybody got that? That should be a plus 72 right there. I have that messed up. Plus 72. And so then if that's plus 72, I have it correct here. I just don't have it written right there. Already got it. It's correct here. Then that makes them what? The answer what? -5. So, hence, the answer will be y equals -4, x minus 3 squared, and k was what? -5, so it's -5. So it's -5 there.